Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. On today's video, we will be learning how to recover your Facebook password. Before starting the tutorial, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for notification. To recover your Facebook password, tap open Facebook app on your phone. On the homepage of Facebook, you can see three options for login, forgotten password, and create new Facebook account option. Since we need to recover our password, tap on forgotten password option. Here you can see that we have two options to recover our account, either by using your phone number or using your email address. In this video, I will be showing how to recover your Facebook account using your email address. So tap on search by your email address instead option. Here on the bar, type your email address and tap on find your account. Now you can see three ways to log into your account. Either log in with your Google account or send code via email or enter a password to log in. Since we don't know the password, either tap on send code via email or tap on login with your Google account. Here I will be using login with your Gmail account option and tap on continue. Here, type your new password. You can see stay logged into this account on other devices option. If you want to stay logged in to this account on other devices, tick the checkbox, or if you want to log out from other devices, uncheck the tick box and tap on continue. You are now being logged into your account. I hope this tutorial helped you recover your Facebook password. Do like and comment on this video, and please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications. Thank you.